Anyway, we know we want to gasket mount today, but the question is how? Now for the traditional gasket mount, we could attach these little sockies on our PCB, but these bowls are apparently the new hotness or something, so we're gonna try those out. But while the average ABS keycap will quickly turn into a shiny mess, that doesn't mean that all ABS keycaps are bad. To achieve this one, you take some more painter's tape or electrical tape and add tiny strips on either side of the screw holes, helping to reduce the metal on metal sounds of your closed case. The only way to know what's right for you, realistically, is to just try them.